Welcome to Fun English. It's fun to learn English. In the market, we can find so many kinds of foods. Let's learn math using foods in the market. 1 pineapple plus 3 pineapples equals 4 pineapples. 3 watermelons minus 1 watermelon equals 2 watermelons. 5 grapes plus 3 grapes equals 8 grapes. 4 breads minus 2 breads equals 2 breads. 3 breads plus 3 breads equals 6 breads. 4 ice creams plus 1 ice cream equals 5 ice creams. Thank you for learning math with Fun English. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. See you on the next video.